Now let's start with India's banking sector, which is spending hundreds of billions of rupees every year on something many would assume is fading away in the digital age: printing and stationery. The latest data suggests that even as banks push customers toward mobile apps, UPI and paperless services, physical documentation continues to remain a significant operational cost. State Bank of India tops the list with spending of nearly 10 billion rupees, or about $105 million, on printing and stationery, followed by HDFC Bank at 9.3 billion rupees. Axis Bank spent 3.7 billion rupees, while ICICI Bank reported 3.2 billion rupees. Public sector lenders, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank and Canara Bank, they also spent well above 1.5 billion rupees each. However, the more revealing metric is not the absolute spending, but how much of a bank's profit is being consumed by these costs. On that front, smaller lenders stand out. IDFC First Bank spent 1.2 billion rupees on printing and stationery. That's equivalent to 8.05% of its net profit. IndusInd Bank follows at 4.46%, while Yes Bank and AU Small Finance Bank are above 2.7%. By comparison, larger and more profitable lenders such as ICICI Bank, SBI and HDFC Bank kept the ratio close to or below 1.3%. The data highlights that scale matters. Large banks can absorb administrative costs because their profits are significantly higher. Smaller banks, on the other hand, despite spending less in absolute terms, face a greater profitability impact from similar operational expenses. The figures also raise questions about the pace of the digital transformation in India's banking sector. Regulators have championed digital banking, financial inclusion, and paperless transactions. But compliance requirements such as customer onboarding rules, loan documentation, and regulatory disclosures continue to generate substantial paper-related costs. For investors, the data offers a window into operational efficiency. Banks that successfully reduce documentation cost through digitization could improve margins over time. In a sector where profitability and cost discipline are closely watched, stationery bills running into billions are becoming a meaningful indicator of efficiency, scale, and digital execution.